You need to hear this if you're dreaming of freedom. Subscribe, like, and comment to join the journey. More and more people are questioning the traditional life script. Work until you're 65, then enjoy your golden years. Does that sound fulfilling? For many, the answer is no. Enter the FIRE movement, financial independence, retire early. It's about reclaiming your time and pursuing your passions, achieve financial liberation, and design a life on your own terms. Imagine the freedom to pursue your passions and spend more time with loved ones. The FIRE movement is a beacon of hope, illuminating a path toward a life rich in experiences and financial peace of mind. Fueling the FIRE, saving, investing, and living intentionally. The FIRE movement, while seemingly radical, is built upon three fundamental pillars: aggressive saving, smart investing, and conscious lifestyle choices. First, saving aggressively doesn't mean living like a pauper. It's about being mindful of your spending habits and prioritizing saving a significant portion of your income. Think 50%, even 70%. Sounds daunting, right? But remember, it's about aligning your spending with your values. Second, smart investing is key to growing your savings exponentially. This means diversifying your investments, understanding different asset classes, and embracing a long-term perspective. Finally, living intentionally is where the magic happens. It's about questioning your spending habits and differentiating between needs and wants. Do you really need that daily latte, or is it a habit you can reevaluate? Tales from the Trailblazers, real-life FIRE achievers. The FIRE movement is replete with inspiring stories of individuals who have achieved financial independence and retired early, proving that this unconventional path is attainable. Take Peter Adeni, better known as Mr. Money Mustache, who retired at 30 with his wife and young son after diligently saving and investing for years. Then there's Tanya Hester, the brilliant mind behind Our Next Life. She and her husband reached FIRE in their early 30s and now travel the world, documenting their adventures and inspiring others to pursue financial freedom. Another inspiring example is Grant from Millennial Money, who achieved FIRE at 30 by focusing on increasing his income through side hustles while living below his means. These stories, diverse in their approaches yet unified in their success, demonstrate that FIRE is not a one-size-fits-all solution but a flexible framework adaptable to individual circumstances and aspirations. Section 4. Beyond the Paycheck. The Allure of Financial Independence. The allure of the FIRE movement extends far beyond the allure of early retirement. It's about the peace of mind that comes from knowing you have the financial security to weather life's storms. Imagine the freedom to pursue your passions without the constraints of a 9-to-5 job. Maybe you want to start your own business, travel the world, or simply spend more time with loved ones. Financial independence empowers you to live life on your own terms, to pursue work that aligns with your values, and to contribute to your community in meaningful ways. It's about reclaiming your time and energy and investing them in what truly matters to you. The FIRE movement isn't about escaping from the world, it's about engaging with it on your own terms. Section 5. Finding your own flame. FIRE's flexibility and adaptability. One of the most common misconceptions about the FIRE movement is that it's an all-or-nothing proposition. This simply isn't true. FIRE is incredibly flexible and adaptable, catering to a wide range of financial goals, risk tolerances, and life aspirations. You don't have to aspire to retire in your 30s or live on a shoestring budget. You can customize your approach to FIRE based on your unique circumstances and goals. Maybe you're comfortable with a longer timeline, aiming for financial independence in your 40s or 50s. Or perhaps you're not ready to retire entirely but would love the flexibility to transition to part-time work or pursue a passion project. The beauty of FIRE lies in its adaptability. It's about finding your own flame, your own pace, and your own definition of financial freedom. The transformative power of FIRE. The FIRE movement is about more than just money. It's about living intentionally and fulfilling your life. Align your spending with your values, pursue your passions, and have the freedom to make choices that serve your well-being. Imagine a life where your time is your own, and you have the financial security to pursue your dreams. This is the transformative power of FIRE. It's a powerful framework for creating a life of purpose and financial abundance. Take a page from the FIRE movement's playbook. Start by examining your relationship with money and explore investment strategies. Every journey begins with a single step. Take that step today and start building a life illuminated by the fire of your own dreams. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment to stay updated on more ways to achieve financial independence.